As technology shifts and business requirements change, new data storage solutions will need to be implemented. United Airlines has found deploying a network of microservices has provided high-value solutions to each of the areas of deployment. These microservices are connected utilizing a gateway API and an array of ETL services to extract and cleanse the data. Looking to expand on these solutions, United Airlines has chosen to incorporate Apache Kafka into their EDM. We will be utilizing best practices in regards to deploying a big data solution by keeping this to a singular point of focus. Establishing business requirements is an essential first step in developing a solution. This step will allow us to understand what the solution needs to do and the requirements we will need in order to provide said solution. One item to begin with is Kafka. We are looking to incorporate the Kafka tool that we've just deployed on the big data architecture side, and how can we better utilize that tool to support our users. With that, the marketing team is our case study, and they would like to essentially take the customer story and expand on it. They want to see essentially how loyalty, flight data, and marketing engagement can all come together to tell a single story. Incorporating reporting and dashboarding followed up with analytics utilizing tools like Power BI and Shiny from R, we will be able to essentially drive value moving forward and expanding on the data that we have available to us. This is a visual of our ETL model, highlights and showcases the flow of data, where it starts and where it ends. We begin at the API gateway. This will be our main point of connection between the microservices and where we will basically branch off into our data lake. We will have situations where we'll just simply jump right into the curated layer so that we can have quicker results to the various services that need that data at that rate. But for the most part, we're going to be accessing our data lake layer to essentially pull out the data that we need, curate it within the curated data layer, and then present it to the two areas. So the two areas that we're primarily going to be supporting in this solution is a Power BI server so that we can provide analytics and KPI reports and a more simplistic unified data cart method, followed with an R Shiny solution for our more advanced users that are looking to extract and utilize more advanced tools and techniques. Some ETL and modeling / profiling tools that we will incorporate within this project are Draw.io. This is a modeling tool that allows us to create ERDs of our solutions, and it will allow us to visualize the various processes and data models that we will develop. We will utilize Agile as our methodology platform so that we can develop concise and accurate tools that are developed in a quicker, more agile fashion. Follow that with the data profiling tools within SSIS, accompanied by SSIS itself. We will be able to profile the data and make better predictions as to where we need to build out scale within our models so that they will grow with us in our business. We will utilize the star schema to drive our customer model. This will allow us to merge the various fact items without having to create several different spin-off environments. The facts are related and connected by their dimensions, and this will allow us to essentially provide the full picture. Utilizing Power BI to drive our reports, we will essentially create a catalog or a data mart of verified and governed solutions so that we can essentially expand on what we've already built and allow users to build the tools that they need so that they can streamline past any kind of user request system that we might develop in the past or in the future. Accompanied with an R Shiny environment, users will be able to do high-level analytics accompanied with reports, dashboarding within the tool, while also being able to provide gateways so that the microservices could potentially bounce back and utilize the various machine learning and AI tools that we develop within the R environment. This is a list of all my references that I utilize to generate this presentation. I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your afternoon.